For hydraulic oil. For diesel. Check if the hydraulic oil is full. Open the engine compartment for maintenance and inspection. Pull the lever to raise the operating platform, making it easier to enter the cab. Buckle up your seatbelt. The pull ring on the right can be used to control the pressure. Rotate the handle upward to adjust the seat forward or backward. The handles on both sides can be adjusted up or down with 3 height settings. On the right-hand control panel, open the cover. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to start the engine. Pulling the lever backward to throttle up, pushing it forward to throttle down. Push both levers forward simultaneously to make the excavator move forward. Pull both levers backward simultaneously to make it move backward. Push the left joystick forward to move the left track forward and turn right. Pull it backward to move the left track backward and turn left. Hand lever operation can be used to replace the foot pedal. Push the left joystick to the right to move the excavator clockwise. Push the left joystick to the left to move it counterclockwise. Move the left joystick forward or backward to operate pump 1. Move the right joystick forward or backward to operate pump 2. Move the right joystick left or right to operate pump 3. Press the left foot pedal forward or backward to operate pump 4. Press the right foot pedal forward or backward to operate pump 5. Press the button in the middle of the left joystick. Then move it left or right to swing the entire arm, left or right.